What's up, everyone? If you are looking to get amazing hosting discount coupon code, then you guys have to watch this video, because in this video I will tell you two of the finest hosting coupon codes, plus I will tell you a step-by-step procedure on how you can buy hosting from Hostinger through the exclusive discount coupon codes. Now, to get an amazing discount coupon, first of all, make sure to click on the link in the description to get that discount coupon. Once you click on an exclusive link, you will be landed to a page like this, where you can see amazing hosting deal running right now. If you scroll below, you can see the hosting reviews on different websites. Even you can select one and see around how great the hosting reviews are. I'm going to do a random review, and you can see that almost every review is very good with hosting, everyone praising them, like that they are providing amazing service. So that is a very good with hosting. I know that not all the reviews can be 5 star, but 4.6 rating out of 5 is just amazing. Now you can see over here, these are the three most popular plan to buy hosting from Hostinger and to get the amazing discount. But you know that this coupon code is going to work with any plan you're going to choose. So you can choose any, select hosting or move to the other plans as well. But I recommend you to opt any plan out of these three, because this has almost everything you may need with your hosting. And then you can see, scroll below, you can see that Hostinger got data centers all around in the world. You can host your website anywhere. Now you are getting, with this coupon code, you are getting 30 days money back guarantee, 99.9% uptime guarantee, and as I told, access to global data centers, plus guys, that they have their own website solution builder, and they also provide maximized website speed with the light speed web server technology, which is just amazing. You can see over here as well, they provide maximized website speed, which is just amazing with Hostinger. And they have 24/7 support. More than 2 million people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company. Even I am one of them as well. So now, to get the discount coupon, even if you are using another hosting company, they are going to provide you the free migration to move to Hostinger. Now simply select any plan. For instance, we are going with the premium plan. Simply select the add to cart with this plan. Okay, once you select the add to cart, you will be redirected to another page where you can avail this coupon code. Now over here, first of all, you can see that for this coupon discount, you can see that the time is limited. Make sure you have clicked on the link in the description, plus choose your billing period. Hostinger offer various billing periods. You can select any according to preference. Then you can create your account at Hostinger by synchronizing with the Google account. Write your email ID over here, and then you can select your payment method. Hostinger offer various payment methods, and you know that this discount coupon code is valid with any payment plan, any payment method you're going to choose. So once you select it, write your billing details over here, and then you can see the current pricing, which is already discounted because you have clicked on exclusive discounted link. Now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply select the apply button. You can see the current pricing right now, and if I apply, you can see the price got a further discount. There is another coupon code as well which you can use. It is with the name of HI10. Simply select the apply with this as well, and you're gonna see that the price got a further discount. So if you are looking to buy hosting from Hostinger, then make sure to use this either of the coupon code to get amazing discount with Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting with Hostinger. Good luck.